Welcome to the course of Principles of Marketing. Up till now, you have understood the different concepts in marketing, the different orientations in marketing, a basic understanding of the marketing mix, what is a product, why is price important, what should be the distribution strategy, and how the product should be communicated to the customer. In this session, we will discuss about customer value, satisfaction, and delight. We will also introduce to the concept of value chain and its elements. Customer value. Value can be perceived as a summation of both tangible and intangible benefits and cost to the customer. So if I have to put value in an equation, I would put it in terms of expectations and performance. So if the expectation of the customer is high and the performance of the product is low, the customer will not derive enough satisfaction and value. Primarily, value is a combination of quality, services, and price. This is also known as customer value triad. That is, the benefit which the customer is seeking from the product is economical, functional, and psychological. So it's not only the functional benefit of the product. He is weighing the benefit of the product vis-a-vis the cost. He is weighing it vis-a-vis the psychological satisfaction he gets after consuming or having the product minus customer cost. It is the cost of evaluation, the cost of obtaining, cost of using, and cost of disposing. When I say cost of evaluation, it is the cost vis-a-vis competitors' cost. The customer is simultaneously evaluating the prices of the product offered by different companies. Cost of obtaining is not only the price of the product. This is cost in terms of time and effort that he has put in acquiring the product. Cost of using it. Do I have to use another associated products to make the actual or a basic product functioning? Will also be added to the customer cost. So if the benefits do not outweigh the cost to the customer, the value will be negative. Functional value is the type of value is what is being offered. It is the solution provided by the seller to the customer. Monetary value is where the function of the price paid is relative to an offering perceived worth for. This value invites a trade-off between other values and monetary cost. Social value, the extent to which owning a product or engaging in a service allows the customers to connect with others. Psychological value is the extent to which the product allows consumers to express themselves or feel better. This can also be related to Maslow's need hierarchy theory of self-esteem. Many products are consumed by the consumers because they feel that their self-esteem is enhanced. The psychological value of such products is very high. Customer benefit is the bundle of benefits customers expect from a given product or a service. So, mathematically, Total customer benefit is the summation of product value, service value, personal value, and image value, whereas customer cost is the bundle of cost customer expects to incur in evaluating, obtaining, and using the product. So it can be a summation of monetary cost, time cost, energy cost, and psychological cost. Satisfaction is a state. It is a mental state of a consumer after consuming the product. It reflects a person's judgment of a product perceived performance in relation to the expectation. His state of satisfaction will determine whether the customer is satisfied, dissatisfied, or when the summation is very high, it leads to a customer delight. That is, when the expectation supersede is when the performance is superseded by the expectations. The different drivers of customer satisfaction are the core product or service, support service and system, technical performance of the firm, interaction with the firm and its employees, the emotional connection with customers, the ability to add value and to differentiate as a firm focuses more on the top level. Now, we will be introducing you to the concept of value chain model. This model was given by Michael Porter, wherein he said any organization, whether it is producing a good or a service, uses these activities to enhance value to the customer. This diagram is also known as a fishbone diagram. It is divided into two types of activities. Primary activities, which helps in the conversion of raw material to the finished good, and finally after sale services to the customers. Primary activities cannot be undertaken if they are not complemented by support activities. The support activities is procurement of raw material, technology development, human resource management, and infrastructure. Primary activities, the first one or the most important is inbound logistics. How the company can improve processes to procure good quality of raw materials, which will ensure a better quality of product as an output. Operations refer to the work in progress, the conversion of raw material to finished goods. Outbound logistics is the synergy which the organization tries to create for making the product available for marketing and sales, the distribution. After sales services ensures that the marketer and the customer are connected and all the complaints or queries of the customers are handled and sorted within minimum possible time. An organization can look for different activities and identify where it can create and enhance value. For example, if you look at a pizza delivery company like Domino's, they are selling the product in 30 minutes. So value creation for them is the delivery time. So the company would focus more on outbound logistics and marketing of the product, which would ensure that the product reaches to the customer in time. Thank you.